Okay, so I wanted to come on here real quick and show you the results that I got yesterday, November 18th, Wednesday of 2020, the worst year that we're all in our minds think it's the worst ever. We're dealing with COVID, we're dealing with, fourth quarter, end of the year, and staffing is sometimes a little shaky. We're not sure if managers are going to hire right now. Well, let me show you what I was able to develop yesterday with just one system that I use for my staffing company and I teach to my Recruitemy members. 92 members now are using this technique. All right, so I was able to generate 5 to 6 new appointments and really new jobs from just sending out 500 emails yesterday from my applicant tracking system to targeted managers, hiring managers in my niche. Some I've never even spoken to before. All right, so here's an example. This person bit on one of our cold emails. Natasha here, good morning, Russell. Do you have some time available today at 11:30 a.m. or after 2:45 to talk about a position I need assistance with? Boom. All right, let's keep going here. Let me go back. Number two. We've got Rob, who works at a company called GenWave in Canada. No worries, field engineers are the main one, a good RF engineering manager, but we are looking for local candidates. All right, so I've got a call set up with Rob tomorrow, a Zoom call. By the way, if you guys aren't doing Zoom calls right now as meetings, you need to be doing it. Okay, that's a good personal meeting. Crystal here. Good morning, Russell. I received the email below from Adam, who is her boss. I'm the leader for MCA, so you can provide some more details on the candidates you have in the pipeline as well as your pricing. Guys, this happened within 1 hour yesterday morning, November 18th, 2020, around 9 a.m. I think it was, 10 a.m. here. And I just had messages flooding in here. Here's another guy, Henry. Hey, Russ, we need techs that can do production work, testing and assembling VDAs and fiber DAS, blah, blah, blah. Asking me about bill rates. I mean, this guy's ready to buy. I'm meeting with Henry today. Here's a guy named Peter. Thanks for reaching out, Russ. Please give me a call on Friday at 9:30, which would be, November 20th, 2020. Would be interesting in having a conversation. All right, I'll nail Peter. Trust me, I'll get that. So, and the list goes on. Here's more. Here's another one from yesterday. Okay, 1 day ago, 9/12. Hey, Russ, I will have Courtney reach out to you and get rates and other details. We're always looking for good contractors or temp hires. I mean, this is silly. This is like, if you just apply the techniques that I've been teaching my recruiting members, you will get 5 to 6 recs like I just got. All right, so right now, the numbers that my members are getting at Recruitemy, 10 new meetings with new hiring managers in their niche a month, resulting in 3 jobs a month. All right, where else can you do that? Everyone's bitching and complaining about COVID and different things, why they can't do this, why they can't do that. I'm telling you right now, I'll show you exactly how to get new meetings with hiring managers, new recs, new jobs, and get some placements and make some money.